gets it up. But look at all those red jerseys around that basketball. Akar Estrella not able to come up with it. Man, Alabama, LeBaron Philon, great job by Houston. Vertical, forcing tough D from Gillespie.
The baby.
Roll Tide is going to roll out of Knoxville with a huge win. Virtually locks up a two-seed, I should say a double bye in the SEC tournament. And that ball was so close to going out of bounds, I'm not sure who that ball was going to go to if it had. But Jimmy, the story of the game was LeBaron Philon in the last 6 minutes. He outscored Tennessee 13-8. Talented.
Get it.
Hard to kill the wheel of LeBaron Philon, and it played out the last 5 minutes. Tennessee's
Oh, you took it with you, huh?
The SEC puts him in a log jam with a couple of games left to go. For Jimmy Dykes and our entire crew, I'm Carl Ravitch. Another thriller turned in by these two teams. Alabama comes back to win 71-69. Rhys Davis has game day. Right on the other side, College game day, a thriller in Knoxville, and we anticipate something similar here in Gainesville tonight. The SEC leaders will clinch a share of the title before
You always do that to me. He always scares the shit out of me. Rocky. Rocky.
That was a remarkable comeback by Alabama. LeBaron Philon, big deal that Tennessee didn't have.
Ah, you got me. You got me. You be nice. Be nice.